Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to find a university in the USA for a master's degree. Begin by clearly defining your academic and career aspirations, which will serve as your compass throughout this extensive search. Consider specific fields that genuinely excite you and the ideal research environment where you envision thriving. Think about your preferred location, whether a bustling city or a serene campus, and determine your approximate budget for tuition and living. Establishing these criteria early ensures a highly targeted and efficient search process, saving you invaluable time. Once your goals are crystal clear, it is time to leverage powerful online search platforms. Websites such as Peterson's or Grad School Search offer extensive databases, allowing you to filter programs by specific criteria like subject area, geographic region, and institution size. Always remember to cross-reference information found on these third-party sites with the official university websites. This dual approach helps you confirm details and ensure you have the most current and accurate program information available before moving forward. After identifying potential universities, delve deeper into each program's specifics. Examine the curriculum to ensure it aligns with your academic interests and career trajectory. Crucially, explore faculty profiles to find professors whose research resonates with your own, as this can open doors to valuable mentorship. Additionally, investigate the funding options available. Many master's programs offer teaching or research assistantships, which can significantly reduce tuition costs. Do not forget to look into the program's career outcomes and alumni network for future opportunities. Crafting a successful application requires careful planning and execution. Pay close attention to all requirements. This includes official transcripts, specific standardized test scores, and typically 2 to 3 letters of recommendation. Your statement of purpose is a critical piece, so ensure it clearly articulates your academic background, research interests, and future aspirations, making a strong case for why you are a good fit. Be mindful of application deadlines, as they can range from early fall for some programs to late spring for others, so organize your timeline meticulously.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.